In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view archived cards in Trello and how to restore them if you need them again. If you've ever archived a card and then wondered where it went, don't worry, it's not deleted, and I'll walk you through step by step how to find it. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss anything. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and go to the board where your card was located. In this example, we're opening the Agile board, but this works the same way for any Trello board you're using. Once you're inside the correct board, you'll see all your lists and cards displayed as usual. Now, let's quickly talk about archiving a card so you understand how it ends up in the archived section. If you click on any card, it will open the card details view. From here, you can manage everything related to that card. If you mark a card as complete, you may notice that Trello gives you the option to archive it directly without reopening it again. This is a quick way to clean up your board once a task is finished. You can simply click the Archive option and the card will disappear from the list. Alternatively, you can open any card manually, click on the card menu on the right-hand side, and then choose Archive from there. This does exactly the same thing. It removes the card from the active board view but does not permanently delete it. Now here's the important part. How to view archived cards. To find an archived card again, go back to your board. In the top right corner of the board, click on the Board menu. This opens the side panel with additional board options. Inside this menu, look for the option called Archived Items and click on it. As soon as you open this section, you'll see a list of all archived cards from this board. From here, you can scroll through and locate the card you're looking for. If you want to bring it back to your board, simply click on Restore. The card will immediately reappear in its original list. And that's it. That's how you view archived cards in Trello and restore them whenever you need them. Just remember, archiving is not deleting. Archived cards are safely stored inside the board menu under Archived Items, and you can access them anytime. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.